We have done a grievance meeting in Bicholim Taluka. We had a grievance meeting in Bardez. And today we have decided to come to Tiswadi. Yeah, लोकांचे Tiswadi तालुकाचे various issues which were there we needed to address. I'm happy to say that a lot of issues which came up and a lot of issues not only as complaints but a lot of suggestions which have come up are good to incorporate for us also, which we'll be working towards. And to maintain a participative discussion, to maintain a accountability of the department, today we are having a face-to-face discussion with the people who are aggrieved or who would like to come and give suggestions. By 15th of May, we would like to initiate a process where there is a customer care sort of arrangement where a representative with a proper uniform is there at the office of the Deputy Collector and the Collectorate to collect the feedback of the people who are moving out with the quality of service they have been provided. We are trying to open a common service center across all the talukas. Common service center will be the interactive platform for not only revenue services but all services throughout the government departments. It will be, the umbrella will be under jail. Jail will be forming. The first one is due for opening in South Goa, which we were awaiting for some days. In the month of May, we will ensure that a common service center at Margaon is opened up. Common service center will address, the person does not have to go and visit any office for the services under the common service center. 10 to 15 days before the 31st of May, we will surely open the common service center at Margaon.